Hey there, JavaScript enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you join me today because we have an exciting topic to discuss. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of JavaScript and exploring 10 effective ways to learn this powerful programming language fast. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. JavaScript, JS, is a programming language for creating dynamic website content. With it, developers can update both HTML and CSS, making web pages more responsive and interactive for users. While JavaScript is relatively simple to learn when compared to other languages, it still requires an investment of time, patience, and effort to gain a solid understanding. Here are 5 ways to get started that will help you learn quickly and efficiently. 1. Enroll in a coding bootcamp. Coding bootcamps are becoming increasingly commonplace, and for good reason. They are perhaps the easiest way to learn JavaScript and other languages, offering an immersive learning experience that allows you to focus solely on programming and receive one-on-one help from instructors when needed. When it comes to learning JavaScript for beginners, it's the best way you can go. 2. Take a free JavaScript course. If a coding bootcamp doesn't fit your schedule or budget, plenty of free courses allow you to learn JavaScript online. While they don't offer the same level of interaction and support as boot camps, they're still a great way to learn at your own pace. 3. Watch JavaScript tutorials. Online tutorials may be for you if you prefer a more hands-off approach. They'll walk you through JavaScript in detail and give you an opportunity to follow along, typing code as you go. 4. Read JavaScript books. Although they may seem a bit old school, books are still an invaluable resource for learning languages like JavaScript and anything else in general. They offer in-depth explanations and examples to help you better understand the concepts you're learning. 5. Practice with JavaScript projects. One of the best ways to learn any programming language is by putting your skills to the test with projects. Not only will this help you solidify your understanding of the concepts you've learned, but it'll also give you a chance to see how those concepts work in the real world. 6. Apply for a web developer internship. If you're looking to take your skills to the next level and get real-world experience in JavaScript, a web development internship is a great way to go. You'll have the opportunity to work with a team of developers and learn from them as you build unique projects. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, click that subscribe button below to join our amazing community of JavaScript enthusiasts. Thanks for watching and happy coding! Hey, thanks for watching! If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to check out our other JavaScript tutorials in the playlist on the screen. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.